Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. Today we have this platform called Landbot, and this is the best AI chatbot generator for your platforms like, for example, WhatsApp, Messenger, or you name it. So also you can head over to the link in the description to get extended free trial as well exclusive benefits and rewards on the site. Now talking about the bot builder, we have it for different platforms as already discussed, so you can choose to go with any of these. Like for example, if you want to start from scratch, you can do that, or if you want it to build it for you, you can simply enter in here your prompt. And like for example, I'm going to be selecting just for fun. Click on generate. Now it will be asking you to simply create this workflow for your chatbot automation, so you can see different type of answers and connections. You can simply edit these interactions and your workflow will be generated. So they have a lot of other features as well. So now discussing about its ratings and feedback, it is the most loved platform out there, most powerful chatbot builder on the market, great experience for chatbot creation, so on and so forth. So make sure to give it a try using the link in the description to get an extended free trial as well your exclusive rewards and benefits. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.